Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on addressing pin issues with the ASUS GU603Z. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and repair these problems effectively. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Having a clean workspace is also essential for this process. Begin by powering off your ASUS GU603Z and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any visible signs of damage, particularly around the pin connectors. If you notice any debris or dust, use a can of compressed air to clean the area gently. This can often resolve connectivity issues without further intervention. Now, let's focus on the pin connectors themselves. If you suspect that the pins are bent or misaligned, use a flathead screwdriver or a spudger to carefully adjust them back into place. Be cautious during this step, as excessive force can cause further damage. If you find that the pins are severely damaged, you may need to replace the connector entirely. This process involves desoldering the old connector and soldering in a new one. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and ensure the repair is done correctly. After addressing the pin issues, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully replace the back panel, ensuring that all clips are secured and that no wires are pinched. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Before powering on your device, it's a good idea to perform a final check. Ensure that all components are securely in place and that there are no leftover screws or tools in the workspace. Once you're satisfied, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we always provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, repairing pin issues on the ASUS GU603Z can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your laptop to full functionality. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your repair journey. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.